Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. There we go. Today on the menu, lamb and potato curry. Instant one. We're going to do this really quite quickly, meaning we're going to get all the ingredients mixed together and then cook it. It is absolutely delicious. That meat that I'm using is not the best quality. We cooked it for some time. It's now nice and tender. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to be using today for this really easy, fast, no-nonsense lamb curry. So I've got some lamb there, bit of fat on it, a few little bones in there, chopped up into nice little pieces, fresh chilli, garlic ginger paste, onions, tomatoes, cilantro or coriander, some potatoes there. My potatoes are parboiled, just for ease of use really, but you can use raw ones. We're going to add them a bit later. And then the spices. So here I've got some cumin seeds. We're going to start this off with some cumin seeds with a little bit of hot oil. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 powders. If you want, you can just use a curry powder that you've already got mixed. You don't have to do this. Or do what I'm doing. Equal parts, just under like a teaspoon of turmeric, cumin, coriander, chili. And here I've got some fennel powder. Give it a lovely flavour. That's about it. We're going to get this all mixed up. It's nice and easy, this one. So we've got ourselves a nice mixing bowl here. We've got our lamb in or mutton. Like I say, it's a little bit tough, this one. We're going to add some onions, those tomatoes, the chili, the garlic ginger paste, the cilantro or coriander. Then we're going to add in chili powder, turmeric, that little bit of fennel, coriander, cumin. To that I'm just going to add some sea salt, and just a little bit of oil just to bring it together. Oh, that's the sunflower oil I'm using there. Really simply, we're going to just give this a little mix. So there's two things that we didn't add here. They're the cumin seeds and our potatoes that we'll add a bit later. So a nice little mix on this, and then over to the cooker. Then it's very, very easy. All the hard work is done. So here we go. I've got a pan here with some more sunflower oil in. Just going to drop those cumin seeds in. Now if you wanted, you could be adding some other stuff here, like some cinnamon, dried chili, cardamoms, bay leaf, up to you. I'm just going to go with these today. And all I want to do, just give them a few seconds. They're going to really infuse that oil and give it a really fantastic flavour. And really worth doing this stage, don't skip it. Okay, now, in we go with our mixture. So we're on an above medium heat at the moment, and what we need to do is we're going to cook this for about 7 or 8 minutes, stirring it often. So as you can see, our tomatoes have broken down really nicely and given us a nice little bit of masala there. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add some water. If you wanted, you could be adding some stock. So I've got a cup or a mug of water here. Now this lamb, like I said, it's not really lamb, it's more mutton, means it's a bit tougher. So what I want to do now is get the heat down, not to a simmer, but above a simmer. And I want to let this go for about 20 minutes. Like I said, it's a bit tough, this lamb that I'm using today. If you're using a really lovely lamb, you can maybe do it a little less time, but 20 minutes, ticking over nicely. If it dries out at all, I'm going to add a little bit more water. There you go, look at that, it's really come together nicely. Actually went for about 30 minutes on this one, and I did add a little bit more water, because like I say, a bit tough this meat, but it's now beautiful. So I'm now going to go in with my potatoes, which I say are parboiled. And we're going to cook these now for about another just 4 to 5 minutes. Obviously, if you were putting in raw potatoes now, you'd have to cook it maybe for 15 or 20 minutes. But that is really looking delicious. I am loving the look of this. See you in a bit. Fantastic, really loving the look of this one. So just at the end, I didn't show you this earlier, but I'm just going to put a little pinch now of garam masala powder. And if you wanted, you could put some more fresh cilantro or coriander in there. Okay, off goes the heat. Check that for salt, it's going to be fine for me. Absolutely wonderful, hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.